Good morning students. Today in this class we are going to study a story. Okay. The topic of the story is a terrible loss. A terrible loss. So first of all see what are all the characters involved in this story. Okay. First one. Ozma, Princess of Fairyland. Dorothy, friend of Ozma. Bestie, Bobbin. Trot, Captain Bill, Julia Jam. So she is a maid of Ozma. Kuya girl, Button bride, Scarecrow. So these are all the characters involved in this story. Okay. Princess Ozma, the lovely girl ruler of the fairyland of Oz, was lost. She had completely disappeared. Not one of the subjects, not even her closest friends knew what had become of her. So Ozma is a princess, okay? She is a princess. She lives in a fairy land. The meaning of fairy land is imaginary land. The meaning of fairy land is imaginary land. Have you seen the fairy land, children?
So, children, this is the picture of fairyland. Fairyland is a place of delicate beauty or magical charm. So, the fairyland will looks very beautiful. It looks very greenery. There will be a lot of plants and trees with colorful flowers. They won't be a real weather. It is a wonderful place that people dream of going there, but it doesn't even exist. The clouds and the mist are full of flowers, and the fairies will be dancing there. It looks really very beautiful. The presence of a fairyland in your dream indicates that you want to live a carefree life in your heart. It symbolizes a warm family. If you dream of a fairy, it means that there is a psychology of asking for help in your heart. In fairyland, the plants get their water from the sea of it beneath the ground. There are tall trees with pink color flowers. It is an imaginary place. Okay, children, now let us see who is a fairy. Fairies are the one who lives in the fairy land. Fairies are defined as small imaginary beings of human form that they have magical powers. They are iconic in a number of different stories, myths, and legends. So, this fairy looks like a human being, but they have a lot of magical power. So, this fairy is of two types. They appears two times in our dreams. Those of the Disney nature where you have seen sweet, innocent, cute little fairies that ring bells and help people. Of course, not all of them are helpful or even friendly or cute. Many fairies that appear in folklore often cause mischief and mystery. So, there are two types of fairies. So, the first type is very sweet, innocent, and they will help people. But on the other side, there is one more fairy who gives only mystery to people. They will give always sadness to the people.
So Ozma lives in the fairy land, okay? Of Oz was lost. So Oz is a place. In that place, she has been living in a palace, and Ozma was lost. She has been missing. She had completely disappeared. The meaning of disappeared is missing. So Ozma was missing in the fairy land. Not one of the subjects, not even her closest friends knew what had become of her. So none of them knows what happened to Ozma. No one can able to identify that where she is. It was Dorothy who discovered it. Dorothy was a little Kansas girl who had come to the land of Oz to live and had been given a delightful suite of rooms in Ozma's royal palace just because Ozma loved Dorothy and wanted her to live as close to her as possible. So Dorothy is a little girl. So this Dorothy is identifying the Ozma that where she is. So Ozma wants to become a closest friend to the Dorothy. Dorothy was given a suite of rooms. The meaning of suite is set of rooms. Okay, she has been given set of rooms in the palace where Ozma stays. Dorothy was not the only girl from the outside world who had been welcomed to Oz and lived in the royal palace. So, Dorothy is not only a girl who lives in the place Oz. There was another named Bestie Bobbin whose adventures had led her to seek refuge with Ozma, and still another named Trot who had been invited together with her faithful companion Cap'n to make her home in this wonderful fairyland. So who comes to the fairyland? So first Dorothy comes. After Dorothy, Bestie Bobbin, Trot, Cap'n comes to the fairyland to live. All the three girls had rooms in the palace and were great chums, but Dorothy was the dearest friend of their gracious ruler. So these three girls becomes very close. They becomes very close friends. See, the meaning of chums is friends. Okay. So these three girls were very closest to each other, but Dorothy was very closest to Ozma than another person. For Dorothy, he had lived in Oz much longer than the other girls and had been made a princess of the realm. So compared to the other girls, Dorothy has been living for more years in the Oz. So she has been given a title of princess. Okay, she has been given a title of princess of the realm. The meaning of realm is territory or district. So Dorothy has been given a territory or a district and she became a princess of that place. Bestie was a year older than Dorothy and Trot was a year younger. Yet the three were near enough of an age to become great playmates and to have nice time together. So Betsy was older than Dorothy and Trot is younger than Dorothy. But the three became very close friends and they became the playmates to each other. It was while they three were talking together one morning in Dorothy's room that Betsy proposed that they make a journey into Munchkin country. So all the three are staying in Dorothy's room and Betsy suggesting an idea to go for a journey, to go for a travel. Okay. So she suggested a place to go for a Munchkin country. So Munchkin is the place. Betsy is suggesting to go for a journey there. Which was one of the 4 great countries of the land of Oz ruled by Ozma. So it is one of the country of Ozma, but it is the greatest country compared to the other country. I have never been at there, said Betsy Robin. So Betsy says that I didn't go to the Munchkin country, so let us go for a journey there. I would like to go to, added Trot. So Trot also says that I too wish to go to the Munchkin country. Alright, said Dorothy. I'll go and ask Ozma. Perhaps she would let us take the sawhorse and the red wagon, which would be much nicer for us than walking to work all the way. So Dorothy is saying that I'll go and approach Osma. She will accept us to go to the Mushkin country. So I will ask for her a wagon. See, the meaning of wagon is vehicles with four wheels. Okay, vehicles with four wheels.
Children, this is the picture of a wagon. Okay, this wagon has 3 wheels. Dorothy is suggesting an idea that she is going to ask to Osma that she needs a wagon to go and see the Mushkin country in spite of walking all the way.
So Dorothy says that I will go and approach Osma to arrange a wagon. So we will go through the wagon instead of walking. So she jumped up and went along the halls of the splendid palace until she came to the royal suite, which filled all the front of the second floor. In a little waiting room sat Osma maid Jelia Jack, who was busily sweeping. So she was very happy to go to the Mushkin country. So what she did do? She noticed that Jelia Jam. So Jelia Jam is the maid. Okay, maid means servant. Jelia Jam is the maid of the Osma. She notices Jelia that she is sweet. So Osma upset inquired Dorothy. So Dorothy is asking that have Osma woke up or still she is sleeping. I don't know, my dear, replied Jelia. So Jelia says that I don't know what is Osma doing. I haven't heard a word from her this morning. She hasn't called for her bath or her breakfast, and it is far past her usual time for them. So the maid says that I didn't see Osma from the morning. I didn't hear even a single word from her. She didn't come for the breakfast and she didn't go for a bath. So it seems to be very unusual. That's strange, claimed the little girl. So on hearing this, Dorothy says that it looks very unusual. It's very mysterious. Perhaps, said Dorothy thoughtfully, she had overslept, or she may be reading or working out some new sort of magic to do good to her people. So Dorothy says that she may be reading or writing in her room to do good for the people who lives in her country. So she will be reading or writing in her room without coming out. Any of these things may be true, replied Jelia Jam. So Jelia Jam says that, yeah, it may be also. She will be in her room only. So I haven't dared disturb our royal mistress. You, however, are a privileged character, princess, and I'm sure that Osma wouldn't mind at all if you went in to see her. So Jelia says that I don't have that much guts to enter into the Osma's room, but you have all the rights to go inside because you are the princess of you are a princess of a territory, so you have all the rights to go inside the Osma's room. So you can go and have a look at what she is doing. Okay, shall we take the hard words? Fairyland, imaginary land. Fairyland, imaginary land. Disappear, missing. Disappear, missing. Adventure, brave actions. Adventure, brave actions. Chums, friends. Chums, friends. Realm, territory or district. Realm, territory or district. Wagon, vehicles with four wheels. Wagon, vehicles with four wheels. Suit, set of rooms. Suit, set of rooms. Of course not, said Dorothy, and opening the door of the outer chamber, she went in. So after she heard of the maid, she decided to enter the Osma's room. So she went to the chamber. Chamber, the meaning of chamber is room. Okay, chamber, room. She enters the Ozma's room. She walked into another room, which was Ozma's bedroom, and then pushing back a heavy drapery richly embroidered with threads of pure gold. The girl entered the sleeping room of the fairy ruler of Oz. So here the girl refers to Dorothy. Okay, she enters bravely to the Ozma's room. The bed of ivory and gold was vacant. So what is the meaning of ivory? Ivory means tusk of elephant. Okay, tusk of elephant. The bed of ivory and gold was vacant. So the ivory and the gold inside the room was no more there. So the room was very empty. The room was vacant. So not a trace of Ozma was to be found. So inside the room, Dorothy doesn't able to find the Ozma because the room was empty. Very much surprised, yet still with no fear that anything had happened to her friend, Dorothy returned to the boudoir to the other rooms of the suit. So Dorothy was very much frightened that what happened to Ozma. So she started to search each and every room. She went into the music room, the library, the laboratory, the bar, the wardrobe, and even into the great throne room. So she is searching each and every room that where Ozma is. So she returned to the anteroom where she had left the maid Jellia Jam and said, "She isn't in her room now, so she must have gone out." So Dorothy is saying to Jellia that I have searched every room but I can't able to find Ozma. So she is not in this palace. She has gone out of this place. I don't understand how she could do that without my seeing her, replied Jellia, unless she made her invisible. So she says that without saying to me how it's possible for her to leave this place. She isn't there anyhow. Here Dorothy. So Dorothy says that she confirms that Ozma is not in the palace. Then let us go find her, suggested the maid, who appeared to be a little uneasy. Then the maid is suggesting that, come, let us go and find where Ozma is. So they went into the corridors and Dorothy almost stumbled over a queer girl who was dancing slightly along the passage. So Dorothy is running very fast. Stumble means falling. Okay, stumble means falling. So she falls on the queer girl who was dancing. Queer means it's nothing but a strange girl. Okay, strange girl. So she is stumbling on a strange girl and that girl was dancing. Stop a minute, Scraps, she called. Have you seen Ozma this morning? So Dorothy is asking to the queer girl that you have seen Ozma. Not I, replied the queer girl, still dancing. So she is replying that I didn't see where Ozma is. So she is dancing and replied to Dorothy. I lost both my eyes in a tussle with the Uzi last night. So she says that I don't have eyes. I lost my eyes in the tussle. Tussle. The meaning of tussle is fight. Okay. So I lost my eyes in the tussle and the Uzi. The Uzi means animal. Okay. One animal has attacked me. So I lost my eyes. I put the eyes in my pocket and this morning Button cried, led me to Aunt M who sped me on again. So on that fight what I did, I put my eyes inside my pocket and who speeded? The Aunt M had sped my eyes. So I have seen nothing at all today except during the last 5 minutes. So the queer girl, the Scrap says that I didn't see anything for the last 5 minutes. Of course, I haven't seen Ozma and I didn't also see where Ozma is. Very well, Scraps, said Dorothy, looking curiously at the eyes, which were merely two round black buttons squeezed upon the girl's face. So Dorothy is staring, she is looking at the Scraps' eyes, how it has been squeezed. Scraps was commonly called the patchwork girl because her body and limbs were made with the grey coloured patchwork. So, whom do we call as Scraps? One who does the patchwork. Okay, patchwork means it's a piece of cloth that had been stitched together. Her head was a round ball stuffed in the same manner and fastened to her shoulders. So her head was made by stuffing some cloth. Okay, her head was made by stuffing some cloth. For hair, she had a mass of brown yarn. So her hair was made by the thread. Okay. Her mouth had been carefully made by cutting in a proper place and lining it with red silk, adding 2 rows of pairs of teeth and a bit of red flannel for a tongue. So and her mouth is made by arranging pairs for the teeth, and for the tongue they have a red flannel. Red flannel. Flannel means a long cloth. Okay, they had a long cloth for a tongue. In spite of this Kubia makeup, the patchwork girl was magically alive. So it seems to be very strange. It seems to be like a girl, okay? A girl who is alive. Indeed, Scraps was generally favored, although she was rarely flighty and erratic and did say many things that surprised her friends. She was seldom still but loved to dance, to turn handsprings and somersaults, to climb trees. So the Scrab is still dancing, okay? It's still dancing to turn handsprings and somersaults. So handsprings and somersaults mean it is a movement. It is not standing in the same position. It is moving from one place to the other. I am going to search for Ozma, remarked Dorothy, for she isn't in her room and I want to ask her a question. So Dorothy says that I want to search Ozma, the where she is, and I have a question for her to ask. I'll go with you with 6 scraps, for my eyes are brighter than yours. So the scrap says that I'll come along with you because my eyes is brighter than yours. So I can search where Ozma is. I'm not sure of that, written Dorothy, but come along if you like. So Dorothy says that if you wish, you can come and join me. Together, they searched all through the great palace and even to the farthest limits of the palace grounds, but nowhere could they find a trace of Ozma. So they are going around the palace, each and every place, but they are not able to find where Ozma is. When Dorothy returned to where Bessie and Trot were, the little girl's face was rather solemn and troubled. So Ozma seems to be very solemn. See, the meaning of solemn is serious, okay? So she looks very serious and troubled. Dorothy had met and questioned the Scarecrow, Tick-Tock, the Shaggy Man, Button-Bright, Cap-and-Bill, and even the wise and powerful Wizard of Oz, but not one of them had seen Ozma since she parted with her friends the evening before and had gone to her own rooms. So she is asking to each and every person that they have seen Ozma, but they replied that I haven't seen the Ozma because we were all in our rooms, so we didn't find Ozma that where she has gone. She didn't say anything last night about going anywhere, observed little Trot. Then the Trot is saying that Ozma didn't tell to me that where she is going. No, and that's the strange part of it, replied Dorothy. Usually Ozma let us know of everything she does. So Ozma will tell each and everything to us, but why she didn't say anything about where she is going? Why not look in a magic picture, suggested Bessie Bobbin. Okay, the Bessie Bobbin says that let us see the magic picture, through that we can able to find where Ozma is. Of course, cried Dorothy. So Dorothy is crying, yeah, let us see using the magic picture. Why didn't think of that before? And at once the 3 girls hurried away to Ozma's boudoir, where the magic picture always hung. So all of them went to the room that where the magic picture is hanging. So the picture has been hanged on the wall. So they are all going to the room and searching for it. This wonderful picture was one of the royal Ozma's greatest treasures. So that magic picture is the treasure of Ozma. Treasure means a valuable thing. Okay. So Ozma's valuable thing is the magical picture. There was a large gold frame in the center of it, which was bluish gray canvas on which various scenes constantly appeared and disappeared. If one who stood before it wished to see what any person anywhere in the world was doing, it was only necessary to make the wish, and the scene in the magic picture would shift to the scene where the person was and show exactly what he or she was then engaged in doing. So if a person is missing and if we want to find those person, what we have to do? We have to go and stand near the magic picture. So that picture will guide us. It will help us to find the person whom we are missing, and we can also be able to know what the person is doing and where the person is. So the girls knew it would be easy for them to wish to see Ozma, and from the picture they could quickly learn where she was. So they are very hopeful that they will find Ozma. Dorothy advanced to the place where the picture was usually protected by thick satin curtains and put the draperies aside. So all of them are going to see the magic picture, and the curtains are there, and pull the draperies aside. See, the meaning of draperies is screen. Okay, draperies screen. So they are pulling the screen of the magic picture. Then she stared in amazement while her two friends uttered explanation of disappointment. She started in amazement. Amuse means okay, surprise. Okay. So they feel disappointment also because the magic picture was gone. They didn't find the magic picture. It has been disappeared. Only a blank space on the wall behind the curtain showed where it had formerly hung. So only the magic picture has been disappeared, and there is only the wall. There is no magic picture. Okay, students, shall we read the hard words once again? Chamber, room, ivory, telescope, elephant, solemn, serious, draperies, screen, stare, look fixedly, amuse, surprise. So this is for your home assignment. Write the synonyms, antonyms, past tense, reference to context in your classwork note. Thank you, students.